So, today I want to talk to you about how to download and purchase a free pattern or any pattern on the website. So, when you go to the website off the Beaded Path beadstore.com on a computer, you will look down here on the left side of the screen where it says shop by category, and you will look and see step by step tutorials, and there is a little down arrow. If you click on that little down arrow, it's going to bring up the categories for those step-by-step tutorials. So when you look, you'll see brooch, hat bands, needle case, all of the different ones. Now, if you see a little drop-down box, say like right here next to earring patterns, when you click that, you'll notice you have two categories. You have an instant download and you have a printed. Instant download simply means that as soon as you purchase, it's going to give you a download link to download it onto your computer, tablet, or phone. Printed means that you will pay a shipping price and we will print out the pattern and mail it to your home address. So you will need to check which one you want. I'm just going to add some free patterns to my cart here. So one of the things you can do is you can click right here at the top where it says sort by. And I'm going to sort by newest items. So I can see the newest patterns I've got listed. So you'll see here this broken heart earrings. So you'll want to click on the pattern so that number one, you can see exactly what you're getting. It says I'm getting a 5-page pattern and it tells me exactly what I need. So I can go ahead and I'm going to click add to cart. So once you do that, it's going to bring up this screen and it's going to ask you if you want to proceed to checkout, to continue shopping, or view or edit your cart. I'm going to keep shopping. So you can hit the back button. I'm just going to hit free again here really quick to take me back to the category. So at this point, I'm just going to click on one. I'm going to click on this holiday swirl. And what we're working on doing when you look at the patterns, if it has a video that I did on YouTube for the pattern, we're trying to work to get all of those patterns actually with the listing so that you can look at that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one to my cart. And I'm going to proceed to checkout. When you proceed to checkout, it brings you to this new page. So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in my email address and my password. If you do not have an account with us, you'll need to click right here to create an account. Once you have your credentials in there, click sign in. Sign in is going to take you to the billing process now. So you're not going to be charged for this, but it does require a billing address. So I'm just going to pop in the one for the store here. And you can either leave a comment or you can click continue. Once you do that, it's going to bring up payment. Now you'll see because I got 2 free patterns, it tells me payment is not required for this item. If there was payment, you see behind the white here that you can use a credit card. It's just 2 different servers that we have for credit cards. You can use PayPal or you can use Google Pay. And you click place order. As soon as you click place order, it's going to give you your confirmation order number. But if you look here on the right side of the page, it tells you what you purchased and it says click to go to downloads. So I'm going to click that right there. And you'll see that it takes me to this product, and all I have to do is click this line right here and it will either ask you where you want to save it or it will automatically save it for you. Now, all I need to do to get to my other download is I click right here on order number 91700 and my download links are there, and I can click that red button and it will take me to that page. Our website will also send you an email with these same links to your registered email. But I'm just going to click log out here because I want to show you if you did not get the email, let's say it went into your spam. I want to show you how you can always go back and get your files. So you go to our website and you click log in. And once you click log in, it's automatically going to take you to the orders page every single time. And you'll see here all of the orders I have ever placed on the website. And so all I have to do is I go to the order that I'm looking for, and my download links are always there. So that is how you find, purchase, and download patterns from our website on a computer.